Okay, awesome. So I'm literally like in this Greenside area, and there's like this really cool, what is it called, anti-aging sort of restaurant that I really want to go and try out and see what the hell. I'm all about anti-aging, so I'm gonna go see what they have, what they do, and all that good stuff. So you guys are gonna come with me, and yeah, let's go see and enjoy. Okay, bye.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on.
Hey guys, okay cool, so I'm literally like in the restaurant. As you can see, it's a really healthy place. They sell like spices and like health things, like capsules and stuff. Not what I expected, but it's a really cool place. If you want to come to like a really like healthy place and like have something healthy to eat, I definitely would recommend that place. The only thing is they don't have wine. I was like really in the mood to have wine. They don't have wine, so I have to do with what I have to do. But yeah, so they specialize in like health things and like healthy food, organic, all that good stuff. They're in Greenside. You guys should come have them, have a look. It's really nice and fresh. And then yeah,